Three Corner Rock in southwest Washington is an interesting outcropping. From up there, you can see four volcanoes. We can see Mount St. Helens, Mount Rainier, Mount Adams, and Mount Hood. The reason I have a Jeep is so I can get out in the back country and enjoy life. I love to be out there. As you can see, this time of year, it's just beautiful. Here's an old tower. Just found it quite interesting. Look at those insulators. When you look up at them, they looked like well, here's an example. They just glowed. They're just beautiful. Here's a low flight over some of the wildflowers and the brush along the power right away. Flew the drone over it, tried to stay low. The detection would sense things sticking up and it would bobble a little bit and jump, but I could have turned it off, but I didn't have the energy to. You can see the beautiful wildflowers. This Mount Hood there in the background there, you see the peak poking up. I think this orange thing was to tell them where the snow depth was when they were plowing the road, getting access into the cell tower. I assume it's a cell tower, communication tower of some sort. There's a look at the three volcanoes with St. Helens on the left, be Rainier in the center, and Mount Adams on the right. And then over about 6 degrees to the right would be Mount Hood. Here's another pass over the wildflowers. The old guy with his Jeep. Did get to chase a bear down the road that day. A big old black bear, and he was cooking, so I didn't get any pictures of him. Yeah, you could drive up there, but it's a lot easier to just fly the drone up. Beats walking too, because it was starting to get hot. Definitely volcanic origin. You can see the clear cuts in the background. Logging, it's our renewable forest. It's all part of the game. We cut them, plant them, come back and cut them years later for the next generation. There you can see St. Helens and Rainier. I think I stopped too soon. Oh, nope, there he is, Mount Adams. Used to snowmobile up there around Mount Adams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.